Dear friends, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time I am entering Governor House, Shillong, where the governor stays. This is the Governor House of Meghalaya. People are not allowed to enter all through the year, but only once or twice in a year for the public visit. And today, 15th August, I got a chance to enter. That is the reason to videos and just upload it into YouTube so that those who will not be getting chance to come and see or they may wonder what is there inside the governor house. So they may see the views around. Actually, it looks like park. There is a garden, variety of flowers, and also game equipments for children to play with. Also, there is a big building where governor stays. You can imagine it is exactly like park. So today I want to share my experience so that after watching this video and you will gain something or you will come to know something about this governor house. Hello everyone, hope all of you are keeping fine. Today I am going to share with you a very special experience from 15th August 2025, India's Independence Day. This day we got the rare opportunity to visit the governor's house in Shillong, Meghalaya. Now, if you don't know, governor's house, also called the Raj Bhavan, is not normally open to the general public. It is very important and historic building where the governor of Meghalaya stays. Most of the year, people like you and me are not allowed to enter, but only on a few occasions, maybe once or twice a year. The gates are open for visitors, and this time, on Independence Day, I was truly lucky to be one of them. The moment I stepped inside, I felt mixed pride and excitement. The atmosphere was filled with the spirit of freedom. The tricolor flag flying high, patriotic songs in the background, and people dressed in their best to celebrate the day. Walking through the gates of the governor's house itself was a grand experience. The compound is huge, full of greenery, old trees, and beautifully maintained gardens. It almost feels like stepping back in time because this place carries so much of our state's and country's history. Inside, the architecture of the Raj Bhavan is so elegant. It reflects the old colonial style, yet stands as a symbol of governance, unity, and dignity. You could imagine how many important decisions, meetings, and events have taken place here over the years. For me, the highlighted the highlight was simply being part of such a rare moment. We know that not everyone gets this chance, and that made it even more special. Standing there, Independence Day, inside the governor's house, reminded me how far we have come as a nation since 1947 and how important is it to value our freedom. This visit was not just a tour of a building, but an experience of pride, history, and patriotism. I will always remember this day, 15th August 2025, my first visit to the governor's house in Shillong. I hope through this video I could share a piece of that special moment with all of you. If you ever get the chance to visit, don't miss it because it's truly a once in a lifetime experience. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. If if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such experiences. Thank you so much. God bless you and Jai Hind. When I was talking, you saw in the garden there are shops, there are camp equipments. It looks like marketplace. You are thinking maybe how is it inside the governor house there will be market, something like that. This is not like this, my dear friends. Since public are allowed to enter, that is the special moment or a special day that shopkeepers or special shops are allowed inside only for the day. We don't find all types of shops, but only the special shops. Like there I found some wine shops. That wine are all made in Meghalaya by the Khasi people, local wine. Then there are clothes and different things which are handmade by the Khasis.
Last time we had entered here, but now don't allow. It was too crowded, I think that's why. See? Last time when we came,
Last time is what? When?
no, last few years ago. Huh? Stop. Hey, it's insane. Entrance. नहीं पता ही बटे लुने तो पता नहीं जाएंगे main gate governor house nah but लास्ट शॉट लगा था कि नेल आगुरी कहीं हो, लेकिन ओसन कोनो नहीं लगे। गवर्नर रखो सिक्के जो बच्चर में एक बार अभी बार खोलें पब्लिक मंडे
Coba, let me guess beberapa. Tak, buatin ah.